Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Drive detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.google.com and press enter. Once the Google homepage loads, look for the sign in button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button. If you already have a Google account, enter your email address and click next. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking Create. After entering your email, type in your password and click Next. If prompted, complete any additional security steps, such as two-factor authentication. Once logged in, look for the Google Apps icon, which resembles a grid pattern in the top right corner. Click on the Google Apps icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Find and click on the Drive icon in this menu. You will be directed to Google Drive's homepage. If you have documents stored in Drive, they will be visible here. To upload new files, click on the New button on the left side. Select File Upload or Folder Upload depending on what you wish to upload. Navigate to the files you want to add, select them, and click Open. After the upload completes, the files will appear in your Drive. To create a new document, click on the New button again and select Google Docs or another file type. Your new document will open in a separate tab for editing. You can rename your document by clicking on Untitled Document at the top. Once you're finished, your changes automatically save to Google Drive. You can also share files by right-clicking on them and selecting the Share option. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with, adjust permissions, and click Send. That's how you log in and navigate Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.